Hi, Amelia. How are you doing today?
Hello, Daniel. I'm great. Thanks for asking.
What did you do over the weekend?
I went hiking in the nearby mountains. It was beautiful.
That sounds amazing. Did you go alone?
No, I went with a few friends from college.
Have you been to that trail before?
It was my first time, actually.
What other outdoor activities do you enjoy?
I loved it. I also like cycling and swimming in the summer.
Do you prefer outdoor activities to indoor ones?
It depends on the weather, but I enjoy both.
What's your favorite season of the year?
I love spring because of the blooming flowers.
What do you do to relax after a busy day?
I usually read a book or listen to music.
Any favorite books or genres you enjoy?
I'm into mystery novels and historical fiction lately.
Do you have a favorite author or book series?
Agatha Christie's mysteries are my all-time favorite.
Have you read Murder on the Orient Express?
Yes, and it's one of her best, in my opinion.
Do you watch any TV shows or movies?
I like watching documentaries and sci-fi movies.
Any recent documentaries that you found interesting?
I watched one on marine life conservation last week.
What's your opinion on environmental issues?
I think it's crucial for everyone to take action.
Are you involved in any environmental initiatives?
I volunteer at a local beach cleanup every month.
That's commendable. How did you get involved?
I joined through a community organization last year.
Do you think individuals can make a difference?
Absolutely. Small actions lead to big changes.
What are your plans for the upcoming week?
I have exams, so I'll be studying mostly.
Do you find studying stressful or enjoyable?
It's a bit of both, depending on the subject.
What are you studying at college?
I'm majoring in environmental science. How about you?
I'm studying economics with a focus on sustainability.
That sounds interesting. What career path do you envision?
I hope to work in sustainable development projects.
That's admirable. Any specific region you're interested in?
I'm particularly interested in Asia and Latin America.
Have you traveled to any of those regions before?
Yes, I've been to China and Brazil for internships.
How was your experience living abroad?
It was eye-opening and helped broaden my perspective.
Do you speak any languages other than English?
I speak Spanish fluently and Mandarin at a basic level.
Impressive. How did you learn those languages?
I studied Spanish in school and Mandarin while in China.
Are there any other languages you'd like to learn?
I'd love to improve my Mandarin and learn Portuguese.
Do you think knowing languages helps in your career?
Absolutely, it opens doors and fosters better understanding.
What do you enjoy most about living in our city?
I love the cultural diversity and the food scene.
Any favorite restaurants or cuisines you recommend?
There's a great Thai place downtown I often go to.
Thai food is delicious. I'll have to try it sometime.
Have you tried cooking any international dishes?
Yes, I've experimented with Italian and Indian recipes.
Cooking is a great skill to have. Any hobbies besides that?
I also enjoy painting and sketching in my free time.
Do you have any favorite subjects to paint?
I love painting landscapes and abstract art.
Do you display your artwork anywhere?
Some pieces are in my room, others I've gifted to friends.
Do you see yourself pursuing art professionally?
I haven't decided yet. It's more of a personal passion.
What advice would you give to someone starting painting?
Just start and don't worry about being perfect.
That's great advice. Do you play any musical instruments?
I play the guitar and dabble with the piano.
How did you learn to play those instruments?
I took lessons when I was younger and still practice.
Music is another universal language, isn't it?
Absolutely, it connects people across cultures.
Have you ever performed in front of an audience?
Yes, I've played at small local events and gatherings.
How did you feel performing in front of people?
Nervous at first, but it gets easier with practice.
What's one thing you'd like to improve about yourself?
I want to become more confident in public speaking.
Public speaking can be daunting. Any strategies?
I'm practicing regularly and learning from each experience.
That's the way to do it. What are your long-term goals?
I hope to make a positive impact on environmental issues.
Your dedication is inspiring. How do you stay motivated?
I remind myself of the bigger picture and my values.
That's a powerful motivator. Do you meditate or practice mindfulness?
I meditate occasionally to stay centered and focused.
How do you balance your academic and personal life?
Time management and prioritization are key for me.
Any tips for maintaining a healthy work-life balance?
Setting boundaries and taking breaks when needed.
What do you do for self-care and relaxation?
I enjoy taking walks in nature and practicing yoga.
Yoga is great for both physical and mental well-being.
Yes, it helps me stay grounded and relieve stress.
How do you define success in your own life?
For me, success is about fulfillment and making a difference.
That's a meaningful perspective. What inspires you most?
People who are passionate and committed to their goals.
Any role models who have influenced you?
My parents and Jane Goodall are big inspirations.
Jane Goodall's work is truly inspiring. What lessons have you learned from them?
To persevere, be kind, and always strive for excellence.
Those are valuable lessons. How do you handle setbacks?
I reflect, learn from them, and keep moving forward.
That resilience will serve you well in life. What motivates you to keep going?
Knowing that my actions can contribute to positive change.
It's great to see your passion and determination. Is there anything else you'd like to share?
Just a reminder to always stay curious and keep learning.
Absolutely, lifelong learning is key. Well, it's been a great conversation, Amelia.
Likewise, Daniel. Thank you for the engaging discussion.
Bye, Amelia. See you again soon.
Bye, Daniel. Take care.